You will need chopped cabbage, roughly about 2 cups or so, grated carrot about half a cup or so, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of oil. So let us start making it. Into this pan I am going to add in my oil. Once the oil is hot, add in your mustard. These have started sizzling, so I am going to add in my curry leaves, green chilies. So our tempering is ready. Now I am going to add in my cabbage, carrot. Everything goes in one go. Turmeric, salt, sugar and lemon juice. Now mix this everything well. We don't want to cook anything, we want the crunch from the cabbage, so make sure the flame is extremely low. Now everything is well mixed. Now let's serve this. Our cabbage sambharo or cabbage salad is ready.